Okay, what do you want me to say?
I want you to say.
Whew,
Same as
I'm
that.
hot.
Do you want that water bottle in there?
How's my head? Is my head cut off? I know you usually like to cut my head off.
Okay, you did that already in a video, that's all.
Yeah, no, everyone knows. Okay, welcome to chili. Yeah, today we are going to make chili. Not regular chili con carne like everyone thinks of chili, but we are going to make Texas chili.
Okay. All right, whenever you're ready, you go ahead.
Stand up, you know what you're trying to do? I would appreciate that too.
Okay. Ready?
Right.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Texas. Okay. Well, you gotta say it at the same time as me now.
Well, I'm trying to.
Oh,
My
cool.
tongue's not
Okay.
quite as fast.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Mexico barbecue.
Chili is from Texas, has no beans, no corn, no nothing, it's just straight meat. So we'll go through that process, how to make Texas style chili. And that recipe is from my good buddy Gene Grove down in, I guess now he's down in Oklahoma, but he was living in Corpus Christi, Texas. So hopefully we'll see him at the Bixby barbecue competition in May, because we are going to actually go to that competition and see how we fare. It's been 4 years since I did a competition, 3 years. So we'll see how I fare at that. But we'll start doing a lot of practice cooks, getting ready for that. Texas chili means there's nothing in it but meat. We will add onions, but there's got to be a certain way that you can add onions. In a competition, you can only have meat in there. You can't have bits of onion, you can't have bits of garlic, you can't have any other but meat. So I'm going to show you how to make Texas style chili. Just so happened that took second in the competition that I went into with Joe. That was in Ontario. So we're going to show you how to grind up your onion so that you get some good onion flavor. We are also going to use onion powder. We got garlic powder. We got some garlic puree. Good old cumin. A little bit of cayenne. We're gonna float our jalapenos. Gonna take them out after it's done, so no need to dice them or anything like that. We got tomato sauce and we got beef broth.
Can you cut? What does it mean to float a jalapeno?
Floating a jalapeno is just dropping it in and letting it float in there. Don't do nothing to it. This is it. We'll drop it in, done. Nothing more needs to be done. The ground beef that we're going to be using today is from our original hamburger vlog. That was vlog number 8, I believe. And you can click on this and you can go there and see how we made all that hamburger. Down below, you can go down, you can click the like, and you can do the subscribe. Where are you going? We got a grater. Everyone knows what these things are. I'm not sure if everyone knows why they have the ones where it's just the holes perforated out.
You're not talking about that.
Why? Okay. So what that does is it's going to puree our onion. So that's the side we're going to use. The side that looks like it just got little holes punched out. So we'll do our onion. Hopefully I don't cry too much doing this. Okay, I gotta go. Cry over here. No one can see me. So now that our beef is browned.
Just start right there. Now that our beef is brown.
Now that our beef, didn't I just start right here?
No, you're walking away
Okay.
and then talking.
Okay, now that our beef is browned up, we will add our beef broth to it. I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Now we can add our tomato sauce.
It's just so I can.
So this is what our onion is going to look like. Just ground right up. It's just like pure onion. We're going to dump that in. We got to do that with 2 onions.
You could say that was like pure snow.
Okay, 1 onion down. There's onion number 2 done. Okay, so now we got our meat simmering in the broth and the tomato sauce. Now we're going to add our garlic powder and onion powder. Okay, we'll add our cumin and our cayenne pepper. Okay, we've got 2 packages of Goya going in. Goya is a little bit tougher to find in Canada, no problem to find in the US, but some stores are starting to carry the Goya. So it can be found up here. They don't sell it in packages, but they sell it in bottles. Okay, and now we'll add our pureed garlic. Okay, let's put our 2 jalapenos in.
Okay.
Okay, here we are back 1 hour later. We are going to add the rest of our ingredients for this round. We got chicken bouillon, beef bouillon. We got a little bit of brown sugar to sweeten it up. We got some Worcestershire sauce. And then we got some tomato paste. Okay, let's add this stuff in. There we go, everything's in. 1 more hour cooking, and then we will put in our last bit of chili powder as well as a little bit more cumin, and then the secret ingredient as well. Stay tuned for that. Here we are, back after 2 hours of cooking. We got our last mixture that we gotta add. We have more chili powder, and we got more cumin, and the secret ingredient to make it more of a Canadian flavor from Texas chili, we are going to add some maple syrup, and it'll cut some of that cayenne heat out of it and give it that extra little boost, and that's what will win you awards.
Okay, before you eat that, I'm gonna need an image.
There we go. 1 Coney Island dog ready to go in this belly.